Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send an email automatically in Pipedrive. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Before getting started, make sure your email account is already connected to Pipedrive. Begin by opening Pipedrive and navigating to the Automations section. If you don't see it in the sidebar, click the three-dot menu to reveal additional options and select Automations. Once you're in the Automations workspace, click the Add Automation button to create a new workflow. This opens the automation builder where you'll define the trigger and the actions that follow. The first step is to choose a trigger. You can use an event-based trigger or a date-based trigger that runs at a specific time or based on a date field. After selecting the trigger, click on Action to add an action and choose Email. From there, choose Send Email. This tells Pipedrive to automatically send an email whenever the trigger conditions are met. Next, create the email. Enter a subject line and write the message you want recipients to receive. Select the appropriate recipient based on the record associated with the workflow, such as the contact linked to a deal. Review the email settings to make sure everything is configured correctly. Once you're satisfied with the setup, save the automation by clicking on this Save button. Then, activate it by toggling on this button and activate it. From that point forward, Pipedrive will automatically send the email whenever the selected trigger occurs, and that's it. So that's basically how you can send an email automatically in Pipedrive. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.